Offensive side.
Number 21. Basta offensive na.
Tapos kung saan
same as the same.
Kung bola
same hand. Okay. Obstruction. 2 shots.
21.
No.
Baliktad.
21. Action.
2 shots. 2 shots. Side ball.
May practice na talaga eh.
2 shots.
Sa taas ko siya.
Okay, 2 shots. Isa pa. Okay, foul. Okay, counted. Okay, table. You show first.
10.
What do you show first? No. To show the table that's counted, you show 2. And then you, okay, you show 3 para clear. Para alam nila kung 2 or 3. Okay, so you show 2 and then it's counted. Okay, 2 counted.
Hindi na kasanayan eh.
Kaso nga yun, parang
8.
Official to eh.
8, yan. Pushing. 1 shot. 1 shot. That's side ball. Remember? 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shots, always up.
Yung tip na sinabi niya sa numbering kanina ni Bart, di ba kapag yung 2, di ba sanay ay 2 counted, di ba? 2. So nakaharap lagi yung yung parang palm sa tao, yun ang 2 points. Pagdating na sa mga 20s, 30s, nakatalikod na kasi hindi pwede ipagparehas yung 20 at saka yung 2. Kasi pag ginawa mo 20 to, malilito kung ano.
Tsaka 6 to 16.
Exactly. So 2, 20.
Number 20, ganun lang.
Go pa.
22, 0. Isang kamay lang, same hand. 26.
Basta reflex pag 2, ganyan lang, lagi nakaharap. Single digit number, nakaharap. Tapos pagdating ka sa tens, talikod na.
Yun, 30. Isang kamay lang pala. Or there's 1 hand, but if you have to use 2 hands, halimbawa 26. 26. Pas 24, 24, same hand.
Pagkaya
Kaya ng 100 lang. Okay.
Wala naman lower dito eh.
Okay, go to the table. Number 29. Obstruction. Side ball. Okay, one more. Offensive. Yes. Table. Okay. Number 2. Charging. Charge. Side ball. Side ball. Okay. Next.
Nakuha na ang tawag sa akin.
Traveling na lang eh. Pinag-memorize sila.
Number 39.
Dugol pa.
3.
Ganun pala.
Okay.
Holding. Side ball. Okay. Isa pa. Foul. Counted. Yes, go to the table. First thing to do. Yes. Number 15. Hitting. 1 shot.
Kali ko pag-usap na, huwag kakaalis.
Next.
Wala na tawag sa akin.
Foul. To the table.
Bakit pa kaya?
Okay, go to the table.
Duterte na agad.
Okay, good.
Tabo!
Stay a few seconds. Tsaka ibaba po itong table. Okay. Number 7. Pushing. Side ball. Okay.
Sabay hagis na sombrero.
Foul. Table. Okay. Number 13. 13.
Ang galing yun.
Okay.
Kaya kasi.
Holding. 2 shots. Okay. Next.
Wala na tawag sa akin.
Dati kasi yung ganito.
Boy Scout
Foul. Go to the table.
Ganun, parang ganun na.
Number 51.
Ata.
50. Same hand. Body foul.
Ba't ikaw?
Obstruction. Yan. Side ball. Okay. Isa pa.
Pwede na bukas.
Foul. Offensive.
Offensive.
No, that's charging. Foul.
Apo.
Okay, foul. Foul.
Foul.
Offensive. Go to the table. Okay. Number 1.
Di ba pares?
Illegal screen. Side ball. Yes, with the fist. Okay.
Apo.
Carl, iba ang charging as offensive.
Yes, charging is an offensive foul. Foul, offensive. You go to the table, you show the number. Number 6, charge, and then you show what side. Okay, foul. Foul.
Lahat ang hiting sa
Offensive.
katawan.
Illegal block is an offensive foul. So you go to the table, number 10, illegal block, body foul, and you show with the fist which way the ball.
Lahat ng opensa para sa katawan, ganun talaga lang tawag.
Wala namang
Mga offensive.
offensive foul, pushing. Yun lang naman eh. Illegal
Sino
screen.
ko pa yung tao?
Frictional foul na yun. Pag sinuntok, out of that. Hindi, pag sinuntok, disqualifying na yun. We'll see that next.
Anong sa ganun?
Card.
Next session.
Kita mo sa tabi.
Violation. Traveling.
Violation.
Violation, tas
Violation. Foul, fist.
Nakabuka.
Okay.
Tabi na yung
Traveling.
Pagka yung foul nakabuka.
Traveling, fist ah.
pag violation na.
Ganun. Violation yun eh. 3 seconds, you show the player who has committed. 3 seconds.
Yun ang mahalaga.
Okay? Go back to the offensive foul. Wala namang madaming offensive foul. It's either charging, it's either pushing, it's either illegal block or holding. But still an offensive foul. It's the same gestures. The only gesture that na dinagdag natin is the offensive foul. Ganun lang yun. Offensive. It's this side.
Pag offensive, ang turos na ano pala doon?
Hindi, kung saan yung wala.
Saan yung bola?
Ang turo. Ganun.
Okay, first you whistle. Wala pa sa table. Okay, so you whistle foul and you show that is an offensive foul. Okay, there's no side first. Para lang malaman nila na offensive foul yun. Then you go to the table, you show the number, okay? Kahit anong number, you show the foul, blocking, and offensive, and then now you show which side the ball.
Bro, ito yung ito yung
Hindi gano'n. Gano'n.
Pag offensive, fist. Okay?
Nakaharap na sa table. Ito kung dito.
Okay. Yung masulahan.
Alright.
Okay, positioning, walang questions.
Parang nag-lupos lang.
Okay.
Maganda sa practical na yan.
So, that's the end of our first session. Next session, we will see in-depth rules. Okay, so technical foul, unsportsmanlike foul, semicircle rule.
Ano? Semicircle.
Semicircle rule. Did you heard of that?
No.
Okay. We'll talk about that next session. And lahat ng mga question nyo in game situation na
Ilista mo ba?
lista nyo po, tanong nyo po sa akin sa susunod na session. We will have some video analysis, some gameplay, some flopping. Okay?
Wala nang...
About fouls, about violation, lahat po. Okay na po ng second session.
Carl,
Yes.
pakibalik nga dun sa sa positioning.
Ng 2-3 referees.
Yung 3. Kasi since 3 tayo, pag kami nag-free throw, tumawag yung at may free throw, sino kukuha sa pwesto, gano'n.
Sa pre-throw.
Let's say, first scenario, tumawag si Trail
Wait.
on penalty, di ba?
Okay.
So siya yung sa bench. Sino ngayon yung mag-orchestrate ng
Pre-throw.
yung lead? Kung tumawag yung lead, siya pupunta sa kung sino yung papalit. Kung sino yung nasa ilalim, siya magbibigay ng bola. Okay.
Okay. Any more questions?
Ano gagawin nung isa?
Ano yun?
Pagbigyan siya.
Pag-pwede na lang yun sa
Second session, video in-depth rule video analysis, and our third session will be our practical training. Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Magaling.
Kung mga question kayo, ask Google.
resume ko video. Ano ba ito ng guard? Yes.
Yung blade.
Ayusin ko lang yung
Sinalalapit sa iyo.
Lagi nasa ilalim ng bibigay ng shell card.
May dala akong wine dyan, huwag mo na kayo uwi ha. Kung sakaling gusto nyo.
Saan yung sa itingin?
Oo.
Para